So, why you swinging? You want to lose weight for real? That's the easiest way. The easiest way. Y'all make sure y'all go check out Growwithjo. And I'm catching feelings, baby. Hey y'all, it's me Trinity Shawnee's back again with another video. Another video. Y'all, I look a hot mess right now. I don't look a hot mess, but I look a mess, you know. But it's Saturday and I got through another week, y'all, of school, work, and everything. So I'm grateful to be here. I am so happy today. Well, I'm not even gonna say happy, because happy is like a temporary feeling. I am overfilled with joy today. And I'm just so thankful for everything that I have, everything that I've been through, everything that's coming my way, you know, everything that's positive in my life. I am so thankful for everything. Like, just thank you, God. I give all honor and grace to God today. I'm feeling very great today. Feeling very good. I am losing weight, y'all. I'm losing weight. I lost 7 pounds. I started working out a month and a half ago. Added that. And I do cheat. I eat good. I'm not even gonna lie. Some days I can just go with eating just healthy food. And some days I'll be like, I need my ice cream. Because I am an ice cream addict. But y'all, life has been so good to me. And I'm just so grateful. So today, I'm vlogging. Okay. A day in my life on a Saturday, a weekend. Today is Saturday. It's gonna be Saturday and Sunday, so I'm gonna vlog this weekend. And right now I'm at TJ Maxx. I'm about to go in here and find a workout outfit. Me and my friend are gonna get cute with our workout outfits. We're gonna take some pictures. We're gonna make some content. We're gonna work on our businesses. We just gonna, because I don't get to spend time with my friends for real and stuff like that. I don't get the time to even make friends. I only have like my cousin, and I have like 1 or 2 friends for real. I don't make time. I'm always so busy, and I'm just always so goal driven. So I decided to take this weekend to, you know, hang out, you know. But it's going to be a productive weekend as well. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm at TJ Maxx. I'm about to get this workout outfit. We're going to make fruit bowls, smoothies, and stuff like that. We be on this healthy stuff. We be on this get money stuff. We be on this godly stuff, you know, because we that girl, okay? That God has created us to be. So y'all just come and enjoy the day with me. Honestly, like, for real. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, because it's really appreciated, you know. But yeah, I just feel great. So just stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot of different stuff going on, y'all, for real. I didn't work out today. Y'all know I wanted to work out today. Ooh, that's my song. But y'all know I wanted to work out today, but my doctor told me not to work out today. I'm overworking my body, so
y'all, this is our fruit. We are about to make some
I'm gonna
fruit
get my
cups.
walk in. I'm gonna get my
y'all stay tuned,
That's
because before we make these fruit cups,
so
I'm
I stopped at the bank or whatever
stuff.
Y'all,
so this is one of the fits that I got from TJ Maxx.
And, you know, deposits, and
I wish I could have got better equipment.
Yeah, I stopped at the bank,
TJ
and I'm gonna
Maxx,
show y'all what I got from TJ Maxx.
But I do like this outfit. I really do. You see me. What they say. So one thing I don't like about this outfit is, you see how I gotta keep pulling up them pants? That's real irritating. Really irritating. Very. Now this fit right here, this was really cute. But one thing I gotta do, y'all, in order to fit these pants really comfortably, you see how I did that squat or whatever. That's not how I do a squat, but it's the pants. They're a little tight. You feel me? So I'll know when I lost weight. When they feel a little bit more comfortable, I know I lost weight. So I'm just waiting on that, okay? I did lose 2 pounds, though. I'm just now editing this the next Sunday from when I made this video. So, yeah, I lost 2 more pounds, y'all.
Hey y'all, so these are the 2 workout gears that I got from TJ Maxx today. I spent $50 for this top, this bottom, and the other set as well. Yep, this was a clearance bra. The bottoms were not on clearance though. These bottoms were not on clearance. These were $16. So I got these containers from Dollar Tree. You can get 4 packs and you can get 3 packs. So I'm cleaning them now.
So here's our fruit. We have a variety. We have pineapples, honeydew, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, cantaloupe, everything, okay?
Hey y'all, so we about to make some fruit cups. We got this bootleg tripod. Make sure you get your tripod off Amazon, because Gabe's, Five Below, and all them stores, they will play you. Anyways, we got our fruit. We got some pineapples, some honeydew. We got some cantaloupe and some more honeydew. We also got some strawberries, some blueberries, some blackberries, and some more honeydew, and we also have some more strawberries. So we're just gonna make some fruit cups for next week, and for today, you know, you need to eat healthy and take care of your body. We also have some bananas and things, and we're gonna make smoothies. So basically, let's meal prep our fruit snack trays for the week. You can get these containers from the Dollar Tree. These are our fruit cups. So I got a little bit of yogurt for the week. This probably gonna be going inside. I'm gonna eat that. It's good. It's good.
But I got more.
I can't believe. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some more. I can't believe I eat it plain like that.
I mean, even
I
like
know.
that, I can't believe it.
We got some extra honeydew, and then we about to blend up a smoothie for today, and then I'm gonna have some left over, of course. Hey y'all, it's dark in here, so I look a whole different complexion. But I just did a little Growwithjo workout. If y'all don't know her, if you a big girl and you really trying to lose weight and you lazy, you know you lazy, you need to go to Growwithjo. She got the best workouts. Literally, the best workouts. I just did a little dance, and I wasn't even doing the dance for real. I was doing it but I won't doing it like I do Monday through Friday because it's Saturday. I done burn 158 calories just doing that dance. Literally. So why you playing? You want to lose weight for real? That's the easiest way. The easiest way. Y'all make sure y'all go check out Growwithjo. Literally. Hey y'all, so I'm back at home now. I got mezza. I'm not really hungry because like my wisdom teeth. But I'm about to eat this mezza bowl that I got. And I got shredded lamb, y'all. My friend put me on to eating shredded lamb. And it's good. Like, it's real good. Like, real good. So I got shredded lamb and like some chicken or whatever. Fresh food, okay? Whole food, okay? And some roasted vegetables and some brown rice, my omega-3. And yeah, let's eat.
I decided to go out with my aunt, okay? I asked her what she think I should caption my selfie. She said perfection. I asked her this because she be coming up with some crazy captions, y'all. That's why I asked her, but she ain't say nothing crazy this time. I just felt real cute though because I got my makeup done for the first time. I had fun with them at the old folks club. I just wanted to have fun this Saturday. Wind down because school been kicking my butt, okay?
Y'all, really quick before my storage fill up, I really take everything like a workout. When I go out, y'all, I be working out. Like my dancing, I be working out. I don't play no games, baby. I'm gonna get all my steps in. I'm gonna burn all my calories while I'm out. Is that selfish, y'all? Because I work out everywhere I go. Or is that bad? I don't know. I'm just asking. But yeah, like, especially like I done had something to drink, so I can really like dance it out. Hey, you know how it go when you get that wine. What? Okay. Y'all, it's 2 a.m. I don't ever stay out to 2 a.m. I have before, but like recently, no. I be work for my business, work for school, work for my job. Is work. So I had fun. I had fun. Period. And I look better without the makeup. Okay. This lady handicapped, but she just saw me walking, and she just kept going. But you handicapped though. You're supposed to stop when pedestrians walking.
Hey y'all, it's Sunday and I'm back. Today I'm going to brunch and I'm going to turn up just a little bit on a Sunday, okay? So make sure you continue to watch. And I got my groceries with my low calorie bread.
Y'all, so we had brunch for my cousin's birthday. She probably don't want me to put her on camera, so I ain't even gonna bother to do that. But okay, period. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a story time about this damn brunch when we leave. So please keep watching because it's a whole lot of fuck shit.
Y'all, this brunch, their customer service sucks so bad. This place is called Green Yard Grill. Y'all, their customer service, we didn't have no waitress. It is so sad. We didn't have no waitress. When we did get a waitress, I ordered a mimosa picture and food. Y'all, why did it take an hour or 30 minutes to give us our mimosa picture? So I had went up to the bar and I had told her, I was like, we still haven't got our mimosa picture. The lady at the bar was like, she didn't have no order for no mimosa picture. She just had an order for one mimosa. But she said it won't for us though. I'm just like, what? And she was like, well, I was like, well, can you make us a picture? She was like, you have to tell your waitress or whatever. Girl, who the hell is trying to get over on a picture of a mimosa? Do you think I would be here if I ain't had the money to pay for it? So why you can't just give me my mimosa picture and add it to my tab? Let's make it simple, first of all. It was just so much, y'all. The food took forever and the food was warm, okay? Warm. It ain't like it took forever and it was hot. It was warm. It just sucks really bad. And every time I said something to somebody who worked there, they ain't say nothing. And the employees were smoking hookah, chilling on their phones and stuff the whole damn time. So I would never go back to that restaurant again. And yes, I left a review on Google about them too, because they had up for real. And I was trying to be nice. I would have been left. The only reason I was still there is because it was my cousin's birthday and she wanted it. So that's it. Okay? She didn't want to leave, so I just stuck it out. Period.
I guess.
I ain't feeling nothing though.
Y'all, this ain't the flex. This just to let y'all know to go check out my Save $5,000 in 100 Days challenge that I did. It was the 100 envelope challenge, y'all. I finally completed it. I've been doing it for a minute. Oh my God. But y'all, college sucks. This assignment was 315 questions, and guess how much this were? Only 10 points. Yeah, I got a 100, but that's only 10 points. This teacher full of it. Economics, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. That is the end of this vlog. That's how my weekend went. Every weekend it get crazier. Every week it get crazier. It's just terrible. How y'all life going? Come on, too much. Nah, I just need to learn time management, and I'll be all right. That's all.